Hey guys, did you know that your photos and videos get compressed in Instagram? That is the reason why photos and videos lose their quality when you upload in Instagram. Today, we will learn how to upload photos and videos to the highest quality in Instagram. So make sure to watch till the very end, okay? First, open the Instagram app. Click on your account's icon at the bottom right. You'll then see a 3 horizontal line button at the upper right corner. Click this. It will open a menu. Then click Settings. It will open under Setup menu. Click Account. Then click Cellular Data Use and choose Upload at the highest quality. This is how you can upload photos and videos on Instagram with the highest quality. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to see more videos like this. See you on the next one.